Today we have a video from Bodycam Goat, and the title of the video is Cop Loses His Shit with Disrespectful 20-year-old in the Military. Military guy,
This is 20-year-old Bo Holly. On December 30th, 2024, Key West police responded to a call from Rick's Bar in reference to a disorderly male starting physical altercations with security and other individuals. Upon arriving on scene, officers made contact with Mr. Holly, who was now walking down Green Street towards Sloppy Joe's. Officer Davis noted that Mr. Holly showed multiple signs of intoxication and immediately became resistive and aggressive. Check out what happens next and let us know how you think both parties handled this encounter.
Fights with people?
I am not starting a fight.
I got multiple people that said that you're starting fights with them.
That's good for you.
All right, I'm gonna tell you how this is gonna go. I'm not the one to f around with.
I'm not the one to f around with either.
Do you understand?
I do.
Do you understand?
I understand.
Watch your fucking mouth. You have ID on you?
I did about 5 minutes ago. Bartender.
You must not be from here, huh?
I'm not.
Yeah, well, you're gonna learn the fucking hard way. And your military acting like a fucking asshole?
Yeah.
Who's your command staff? Who's higher up?
First Sergeant Mickle, call him up. Call him up.
So what's going on? Why are you starting fights with people?
Dude, I'm a fucking 150-pound white boy. You think I'm starting fucking fights?
I have multiple people
Look at me.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about your fucking weight. I have 4 people telling me that you were trying to fight over there, starting fights, and especially with the security over there.
Good for you, bro. Good for you.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you this one more time.
Tell me fucking 6 more times.
You're fucking military. Watch your fucking mouth. Do you
Hey,
understand
tell me
me?
fucking 6 more times. What am I doing? Oh, okay. Let me get my cigarette.
Okay, drop it. Drop the cigarette, dude. You don't need it. All right.
You're fucking great.
Come on. You literally talked your way into
Shut the
handcuffs.
fuck up.
What?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, I will. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
And he's military.
You're military?
Oh,
Okay.
these are the military guys?
You don't know who you're talking to.
Oh, yeah.
I bet you.
Shut the fuck up.
1 year in the military? Okay, buddy. Thanks for your service. Don't do that.
Come on, bro. Let's roll.
You don't know what you're going up against.
Shut the fuck up.
I know.
Private. What is that? Private first class badge? Shut the fuck up.
Well, who's your supervisor? We're gonna find out either way.
Yeah, First Sergeant Mickle. Call him up right now.
Mickle?
Call him up. First Sergeant Mickle. Okay. Yeah, sir.
Okay.
You don't have nothing on it?
No. Take a seat, buddy.
You know this is an alcohol-related
Shut the
incident.
f up.
You know what happens
Shut the
with
f up, Private.
alcohol-related incidents?
Shut the f up, Private.
Alright, I know you know.
Shut the f up. You know what we do to guys like you in the f***ing military? Start f***ing pushing forever, bitch.
Like you going to jail, boy? Learn a lesson. Are you down here? What are you down here for? Are you down here for training?
I'm
Not
down
school?
here for leave.
You're down here for leave?
Yeah.
He's down here for leave. Yeah. You're not stationed here, are you?
Nope.
Nope. All right. Well, the good news is you're going to be staying at a good hotel tonight.
Good to go.
It's called the Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
Hell yeah.
Dang, these are the military guys nowadays?
All right.
Good to go?
Oh yeah, good to go, all right. Welcome to your hotel for the night.
Bo Holly was charged with battery and resisting an officer without violence.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know. These new military people, boy, these guys is, or I don't know. Did military people always act like this? I swear we just seen another military guy acting like a, let me see, hold on. I gotta scroll through, man. I could have sworn there was another case that we just did of a, okay. Yep. It damn sure enough was. Welcome to ShyGotEm. Damn sure enough was. Remember this video? Entitled Veteran Attacks Cop. Yeah. Man, I don't know what's up with these military people nowadays. What? They acting out. They are acting out. Man, they got I don't know. For you military guys that watch me, or girls, is he gonna be kicked out of the military because of this charge, or is he still good to go? I don't know. These are things I need to know. Is he good to go, or is he getting kicked out? Battery on a law enforcement officer, which I don't know if that's gonna stick, but you know, I don't know. I just feel like, you know, I expect military guys to have a higher level of like you know, like respect and things like that. I expect them to carry themselves a certain way, but from what we've been watching, man, they go out to these bars, and because that same incident that we did the other day with the veteran chick, she was out at a bar, pushed a cop, and you know, fighting people, this, that, and the third, and we see the same thing with this guy. This guy is picking fights at bars and X, Y, and Z, and you know, pretty much doesn't respect authority. You know, he looks at, and then you only been in the military for a year, bro. Like, you still wet behind the ears, man. You ain't even, you like, you talk about, you know what we do to guys like you in the military. You only been in a year, so please explain. What do they do to guys like, come on, man. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. You've been in there for a hot cup of coffee, man. That's it. Man, these guys, boy. But anyways, I like how the officer came off, you know. Watch your mouth. You know what I'm saying? Some people may not agree with that aggressive approach or whatever, but you know, hey, it's all good with me. But overall, I'm gonna get a cops 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.